Tick Pulse is trading today, short and long trades. VIX is up, and you see the original version that I've been trading. Nice short, got short again. I thought this might sell off into the close. We usually see some bigger bounces in here, but it didn't, and then finally it did, and it bounced pretty quickly enough to signal a long trade. And so we'll see how that plays out. The original has a profit target at 28.94. Again, it could get in and out multiple times. And the other versions don't have profit targets, and they trade a little differently depending on your settings. You see the original version here, version or stage 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And over the past 30 days, the original version went through a drawdown. And then I'll let you know, I sent out an email a while back, said, hey, this is in a drawdown, might want to take a look at it. It could bounce. It has bounced a little bit, and so the original version is bounced. And some of the other versions, say for example, here's version 3, stage 3. Nice perspective if you take a look at the longer term chart of data back to 10/16/2017. It's in a drawdown, so this is a closed trade drawdown, and it's done these drawdowns before, and so you want to, it's a nice place to get in on drawdowns. So you can measure that against your worst case drawdown of 32.75 on a closed trade drawdown, and then see where you're at, and then risk that amount. And so buying dips basically in the equity curve. And if you look at a shorter term time frame, this is not as much data. You might say, oh wow, this is doing terrible. Wow, this is doing terrible. Look at that. I don't know if I want to trade a system that does that. Over the past month, yeah, systems have losing months and several months sometimes. And so you go through this drawdown process, and you get some VIX coming out. I don't know if it'll hold, but it's doing well today, and it's bouncing today. And so unless volatility gets smashed and stays smashed, I think that this strategy is a good place to enter on buying this dip. At least you can measure your risk and manage it and trade it. So that's the update on Tick Pulse. I want to share SR Counter Trend Euro in another video today as well.